Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video today. Sorry about me kicking the tripod, but yeah. This is going to be a lot unboxing, a plastic generation lot video. Unboxing, to be exact. And yeah, I will be probably posting this today, and I'm kicking stuff, sorry about that. My table is pretty big that I'm using, so I have to walk around. So yeah. There we go. Let's see. Okay. Let's get that. Of course, my handy dandy big knife. Actually, I'm not trying to cut through the new base. Okay, and this came, it says it's a European or, yeah, post, so, oh yeah, can't wait. And I know there is a launcher that I know, so yeah, that I can actually, I really like, so, okay. Here's the base. Here's the launcher. Here's the grip. And the weights. So yep, and that's all. Pretty good packing overall. I like it a lot. Let me do these second. Let's do the main guy. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's already on. And I am really happy about this. I haven't had one with me in a long time. And this is, besides the color, it's basically the main character's launcher for my favorite season of Beyblade. Of all time, actually. Beyblade G Revolution. Oh, wow. Okay, let's get that back in for the parts. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yep, if you guys know who this is, it is Tyson's launcher for Beyblade Season 3. Beyblade G Revolution launcher. So yeah. Oh god, no. Oh god. Yeah, that one was actually one of my other launchers. I mean, my other base that I got a while back. So yeah. Stay tuned for a scene. I'm going to be using this as my main launcher from now on for any series. If I do go to Plastic Gen tournament and also BBA. This is when it was called the BBA stickers. So yeah, pretty cool design overall. Really love this thing a lot, and it's literally perfect for my hand. Literally right here fits my hand perfectly. Yeah, I have decent sized hands, so yeah. And a basic light launcher type of deal. If I'm using regular saga terms, let me put my big boy away, my big knife away, so I won't cut myself. I have a basic yellow launcher. Basically, the actual rip cords didn't change from plastic to metal. Just a little fact about these guys. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say. Oh, yes, I got a gold one, too. Yeah, geez, I need to get my knife again. Yeah. Oh, God. Did got it. Oh yeah. I have 2 out of 4. I mean 3 out of 4 already, but these are just extras. Okay, there we go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh God. Don't tell me. Go ahead, check these now. But don't tell me. Wait a minute. Oh God, don't tell me I got screwed out of this piece. Don't. Oh God. These are the main ones. I got these, but if I got screwed out of this, wait. I go over that, but oh God, don't tell me. Yeah, I got kind of screwed. But I need to look again because this isn't it. That's pissed me off. I'm going to ask for let the guy know how I feel about that. They screwed out of that part. But yeah. Okay. But yeah, that's a lot. And I got screwed out of that. So, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like that. Actually, yeah. Do a close-up of these guys. But yeah, now I'm going to yell at the guy. Because he kind of screwed me over. I had this one as a kid. I have one of these already, but I mainly got this lot for that one piece. And I got screwed out of that one piece, so I'm going to be bitching at him. Oh, and I got that one, so. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye. Okay guys, I'm back. And this is a later update for that one layer that I didn't for that extra and wide attack. They said instead of shipping this and the star, let me actually show you on my phone. But yeah, also I'm wearing my Kai HMS. So yeah, let me get on to this. Show you the actual picture of it. And that guy got back to me later on today about that, and his packer actually messed up. It shipped me the wrong one. That's it. Oh God. That one right there. Star. And he will be sending me a new one. So here's actually a better. The list is this one right here. Wide attack. I have wide defense and wide survive. I have all of these. The other one will be here, the star attack. I'll be getting that one soon. But yeah, this is a little update to the unboxing video. you'll be seeing this part right after I end that video. You'll have this part. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and